So this is after another 1.5 minutes. So total frying time approximately 6.5.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make fish fry. So fish fry is one method in India where they will marinate the fish with some spices, powder, and pan fry. Yeah. So today I have some Tenggiri fish with me, and we are going to marinate it with spices. So first of all, I'm going to give it some turmeric powder. Approximately 1 tablespoon to start with. Fresh coriander powder, also about 1 tablespoon to start with. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, also about 1 tablespoon. If not enough, I will add more later, yeah? And 1 tablespoon of fish curry babas powder. Babas is actually the brand. Okay, any brand will do, up to you. And we are going to give it some salt, about 1 teaspoon of salt here. We can add in some assam as well. I'm going to put in approximately 1 tablespoon of assam puree. Not lazy, I'm going to mix some water here. You're going to need some water after all. Alright, not too much. And let's mix everything up. You want to make it into a very thick paste. Right, something like this. Next thing, once your thick paste is ready, you can put your fish here, coat it nicely with the thick paste, and set it aside for pan frying later. So put some oil into the wok, and we don't need to be too high heat. If it's too high heat, because of the curry powder, it can get burned rather easily. So use a medium heated oil. Approximately, I would say 130 to 150 is more than enough. See, is it? But it still can sizzle, yeah? It sizzles. Then you can slowly put it in. Well, the good thing about after you coat it with all this curry paste, basically it would not splatter anymore, right? You do notice I like to put a little bit more oil for my fried fish so that it's easier. You want to put lesser, it's perfectly fine. And like I mentioned, you don't want to use too high heat because of the curry, yeah, it can get burnt, right? Now after we put the fish in, we can now put in some curry leaves into the oil to further enhance the flavor. So after about 1 to 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute plus, I will flip the fish over. We'll come back shortly. I wish you can smell this. It is super fragrant right now. Now, the only thing about this way of cooking fish is that you don't want to make the fish chao ta. Yeah, it will be just nice if you fry it probably some way. I think plus minus about 5 minutes maybe. Yeah. So this is after about 1 minute plus. Let me try to flip it over. Ooh, right. Ooh, beautiful. This is a Tenggiri, by the way. You can use any fish you like, kampong, sela, anything. Grouper also can. Up to you. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen, remember? Do it the way you like. And let's give this at least another about 2 minutes. I would say plus minus 5 minutes to 6 minutes, this fish should be ready. So this is after approximately 4 minutes, yeah? After another 2 minutes on the second side. I'm going to flip it around. Almost there. Almost there. Now I want to crisp everything up. So I'm going to raise the heat a little bit to medium high and give it like another about 1.5 minutes maybe. Then our very fragrant fish fry is ready for dinner. So this is after another 1.5 minutes. So total frying time approximately 6.5. Yeah. This is the final char. Right. Our fish is ready. I'm going to take it out. Prepare some oil absorbing paper at the side. Yeah. I'm going to put this. Look at it. I'm going to put the fish over. Beautiful char. This is not chao ta, but char, yeah? Right, nice. See, beautiful. So here's our beautiful fish fry for dinner tonight. A dinner can be very simple, yeah? It doesn't have to be very complicated. I finish all this within 10 minutes. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.